Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to paint these decorative pots today. I have done something similar to this before and I had a lot of fun painting that page. I also combined those forms digitally and made these artworks. Since I enjoyed painting that page, I thought of making this kind of an updated version and also thought of recording the process. I painted this in a way I am currently using gouache, which is to give an overall wash by mixing different colors and painting the whole form and then painting details over it with a thicker paint. You can watch my other video of painting decorative plants in gouache where I have explained this process in more detail. I also like the texture gouache leaves when used with more water. I like how it looks, but I also like how quick it is to fill everything. Then while painting the details, I enjoy the control it provides. In the way I work with gouache, I have combined two ways, the transparency and the watery texture along with it, and the opacity. Both of these ways complement each other very well. I like to decide a certain effect I wish to get in a particular area while using gouache. So I will just let you watch the painting process from here on, and I will meet you at the end of this video. This one is the last flower I am doing the detailings on. I enjoyed working on this page so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.